Hello friends, welcome to my channel, The Lost Page of Physics. Here we basically discuss physics topics and multiple choice question for competitive students, particularly those who are willing to take admission in various courses like graduation, masters and beyond. Our first topic is linear algebra matrix, and next few lecture will be on this topic. Today I will discuss some basic review of matrix, definition, order, equality of matrices, operation, and basic properties of addition, scalar multiplication, and at the end of this lecture I will give you an interesting problem. Let me start with definition. A square or rectangular array of numbers or functions is known as matrices. Individual numbers or functions are known as elements of matrix. For example, A equal to Aij of order m cross n equal to A11 A1n Am1 Amn. For another example, B equal to 2 3 7 1 plus I. This is a complex matrix. Now, the order of matrix. A matrix of order m cross n has m number of rows and n number of columns. Every element of matrix is characterized by a row index and a column index, Aij. I is the row index and j is the column index. So, Aij is the element of ith row and jth column. If a matrix A contains m row and n columns, then it is written as A equal to Aij of the order m cross n. Now, the square matrix. If number of rows and number of columns of a matrix is equal, then the matrix is said to be square matrix. Of matrices. Two matrices A equal to Aij and B equal to Bij are said to be equal if and only if they have same order and each element of one is equal to corresponding element of other. That is, Aij equal to Bij for all values of I and j. Now, matrix addition. Addition is defined only for matrices A equal to Aij and B equal to Bij of the same size. Their sum A plus B is then obtained by adding the corresponding entries. Matrices of defined size cannot be added. Please note that matrices of defined size, that means defined order, cannot be added. If A equal to A11 A1n, Am1 Amn, and B equal to B11 B1n, Bm1 Bmn, then A plus B equal to A11 plus B11 A1n plus B1n, Am1 plus Bm1 Amn plus Bmn. Of matrix addition. For matrices of same size m cross n, we obtain for addition properties as below. First property is A plus B equal to B plus A. Second property is A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. And third property is A plus 0 equal to A, where 0 denote the zero matrix or null matrix of same size, that is m cross n. And fourth property is A plus minus A equal to 0. Now, scalar matrix multiplication. If matrix A equal to A, B, C, D, then lambda A equal to lambda A, lambda B, lambda C, lambda D, where lambda is a scalar Now, properties of scalar multiplication. First property is lambda into a plus b equal to lambda a plus lambda b. Second property is lambda plus k into a equal to lambda a plus ka, where k is any arbitrary scalar. And third property is lambda into k into a equal to lambda into k into a. And fourth property is 1 into a equal to a. I told you that at the end of this lecture there will be a problem. So here the problem is, if each element of k cos k square matrix A can be chosen as a Boolean variable, then one can construct m number of different contribution of matrix A. Therefore, m is equal to option A 2k, option B 2 to the power k square, option C k square, option D 2 to the power k. Solve this problem and write your answer in comment. To get next video, please subscribe my channel. Also like and share this video. Thanks for watching.